What is up, guys, and welcome back to another makeup tutorial by yours truly, me. And I call this an envy makeup tutorial. Now, guys, if you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe because I will have more videos like these. And first off, we're going to start off by using this Morphe palette, and it is the 35M. Now this palette is a new one that they had just released. Now these colors are so beautiful, and we are going to start off by using the shade Stroke of Luck, and we are going to be using the Morphe brush 330. And guys, if you guys have not bought this brush, I truly recommend it, just because I don't know if you guys remember that I did a video on Morphe brushes, but I actually really like this brush with the black bristles, not the white bristles. I don't know, the white bristles tend to have more of a harsh, I don't know, harsh poking thing or whatever. But anyways, we're going to start off by using the Stroke of Luck, and we're going to use this as our transition color, and we're just going to go in rotation, like little circular motions, and actually also going back and forth, as you can see, just like this. Now take your time, guys. I actually used a little bit of product, and then I added more product to get it to how I wanted it. And just don't forget to also, as you're doing it, just also blend, because we want to have that nice beautiful blend. Oh, and another thing, guys, I also decided not to speed things up in my videos anymore, because I feel like you actually see more videos like sped up and not an actual time lapse. So I decided to just keep it this way, and hopefully you guys like this way better. So just let me know in the comment sections if you like this way better. And yeah, guys, you just keep blending. The next shade that we are going to be using is Express Yourself. We're actually going to use the Morphe brush M506, and we are going to use this just right above our crease line. Now this brush is like the small blending brush, but it's more like round instead of pointed. So I do love this brush because it just gives you a nice precise application. As you can see, just went back with the M330 just to blend those two colors together. Now we are going to use Green with Envy, which is the color that I decided to name this look, and we're going to be using the Morphe M507. Now this is more of a pointed brush, and we're actually going to be putting it on the crease line and a little bit above the crease line. That's why I like this brush, because it's more pointed, which gives you a nice application right on the crease. So that's why I really love this brush. Now guys, like I was saying, I do recommend these brushes. If you guys have sensitive eyes like I do, then I would get the ones with the black or brown bristles instead of the white bristles, because the white bristles are more perkly, and I don't know, I just didn't like those. So guys, just keep adding color just as much as you want it to get. Like if you want it brighter than what I have it, then just keep adding more. So that's really all you have to do, just keep adding more and also blending the colors back and forth. Like you see, I went back and I just blending the colors. Like, that's all really you need to do to get that nice blend. Now I'm gonna be using this makeup remover wipe to cut my crease. And you guys know it, I always use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 10 and my Princessa eyeshadow brush from Shop Miss A. And guys, actually in my last video I actually had in the description box all the products that I used, and I used this brush as well, but Shop Miss A discontinued this brush, which sucks because this brush is totally amazing. I freaking love this brush. It's like so nice and rounded and thin. It's just amazing. And honestly, it's from Shop Miss A, so it was only $1. But just apply the concealer and just take your time, guys. Now the last shade that we're going to be using is Grape Expectation. And I actually really enjoyed the name of this, guys. Like, I didn't realize what the name was until I actually read it. But this name is so amazing because it really reminds me of grapes. But just use patting motions and small little back and forth kind of thing going on. I don't know what you call it, but I like to apply more and then just keep using patting motions and then grab some more product and then use patting motions, you know, just to make this shadow look great. Oh, another thing, guys, if you guys haven't checked out my recent video, go and check it out because it is my giveaway. My Valentine's giveaway will end on March 14th, and it is US only, which is one thing that I forgot to mention. It is US only. And now we're just gonna blend that the Green with Envy shade. We're just gonna blend those two colors together. And so now I'm just cleaning up the edges just to get that nice line because I didn't use my Minions tape. But this is another way that you can do it if you guys don't have any more tape. Now we're gonna be using the Anastasia glow kit, and I think it's the Sun Dip, guys. I can't really remember. And we're gonna be using Summer. We're gonna put it on the top of our cheeks, Cupid's bow, nose, bridge of the nose, you know, on our inner corner, our brow bone, and a little bit on the forehead and the cheeks. And now the last thing that I'm using is my Jumbo NYX pencil in white. The only reason why I always use this is because it just makes my eyes look wider and bigger. So, which is why I love using this for almost all my makeup looks. Now, we're just gonna take the excess, or if you want to add a little bit of product, you can as well. But on my other eye, I added more product, and we're using the Green with Envy shade, which was the last shade that we used. And now, guys, honestly, this is a finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And with that being said, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my videos, guys, because I really do enjoy sharing with you guys what I create. But I feel like oh, and do you guys want to learn how to get these fierce nails? Leave a comment if yes. But anyways, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.